Namaskar. Today we are going to discuss most important questions about general science for railway exams. Let's start. The first question: excess of amino acid are broken down to form urea in option A, kidney, option B, liver, option C, spleen, option D, rectum. The correct option is option B, liver. The branch of science that studied cells is called dash. Option A, cytology. Option B, entomology. Option C, homoplastic. Option D, hormonology. The correct option is option A, cytology. Dash is also known as oil of vitriol. Option A, nitric acid. Option B, hydrochloric acid. Option C, citric acid. Option D, sulfuric acid. The correct option is option D, sulfuric acid. Which of the following acid is found in human stomach? Option A, hydrochloric acid. Option B, sulfuric acid. Option C, nitric acid. Option D, acetic acid. The correct option is option A, hydrochloric acid. The value of Avogadro constant is dash. Option A, 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Option B, 6.022 into 10 to the power 21. Option C, 6.022 into 10 to the power 22. Option D, 6.022 into 10 to the power 24. The correct option is option A, 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Which nutrient provides the maximum energy on breakdown? Option A, carbohydrate. Option B, fats. Option C, fibers. Option D, protein. The correct option is option B, fat. Compound responsible for temporary hardness of water is option A, Mg, HCO3 whole 2. Option B, CaCl2. Option C, MgSO4. Option D, CaCO3. The correct option is option A, MgHCO3 whole 2. And proton possesses a positive charge of option A, 1.6 into 10 to the power plus 18C. Option B, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19C. Option C, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 18C. Option D, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 16C. The correct option is option B, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19C. What will be the color of litmus solution when mixed with sulfuric acid? Option A, orange. Option B, blue. Option C, red. Option D, pink. The correct option is option C, red. Which organelle of cell has its own DNA and ribosome? Option A, vacuoles. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, leucoplast. Option D, chromoplast. The correct option is option B, mitochondria. What amongst the following is responsible for formation of stone in human kidney? Option A, calcium acetate. Option B, calcium oxalate. Option C, sodium acetate. Option D, sodium benzoate. The correct option is option B, calcium oxalate. Which of the following vitamins contains sulfur and is also known as vitamin H? Option A, vitamin B6. Option B, vitamin B7. Option C, vitamin B9. Option D, vitamin B12. The correct option is option B, vitamin B7. Which cell organelle have its own DNA? Option A, lysosome. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, chloroplast. Option D, both 2 and 3. The correct option is option D, both 2 and 3. The disease caused due to deficiency of iron is known as option A, color blindness. Option B, night blindness. Option C, anemia. Option D, tuberculosis. The correct option is option C, anemia. Which of the following statements is correct? 1. Absorption of digested food takes place in the large intestine. 2. Large intestine is wider and shorter than small intestine. Option A, 1 only. Option B, both 1 and 2. Option C, 2 only. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. The correct option is option C, 2 only. Which is the longest organ of digestive system in human body? Option A, pancreatic duct. Option B, small intestine. Option C, large intestine. Option D, esophagus. The correct option is option B, small intestine. A periscope works on the principle of option A, refraction. Option B, total internal reflection. Option C, diffraction. Option D, reflection. The correct option is option D, reflection. The dash is the most common unit for measuring ozone concentration. Option A, Dobson unit. Option B, chain. Option C, rod. Option D, decibel. The correct option is option A, Dobson unit. In the buccal cavity of human being, digestion of which one of the following gets started? Option A, protein. Option B, fat. Option C, carbohydrate. Option D, none of the above. The correct option is option C, carbohydrate. Plants are divided into dash groups. Option A, 6. Option B, 7. Option C, 5. Option D, 4. The correct option is option C, 5. Rocket works on the principle of option A, Newton's third law. Option B, Newton's first law. Option C, Newton's second law. Option D, Archimedes' principle. The correct option is option A, Newton's third law. Growth hormone is secreted by which gland? Option A, pineal gland. Option B, pituitary gland. Option C, hypothalamus. Option D, adrenal gland. The correct option is option B, pituitary gland. Elements on the right side of the periodic table are option A, metal. Option B, transition metals. Option C, semi-metals. Option D, non-metals. The correct option is option D, non-metals. The SI unit of potential difference is dash. Option A, watt. Option B, volt. Option C, coulomb. Option D, joule. The correct option is option B, volt. Contact lenses are normally made of option A, Teflon. Option B, hydrogel. Option C, nylon. Option A and B. Option B, B and C. Option C, only A. Option D, only B. The correct option is option D, only B. The stem or root cycle grows due to option A, lateral meristem. Option B, calorie meristem. Option C, intercalary meristem. Option D, apical meristem. The correct option is option A, lateral meristem. Which of the following enzyme secreted by the pancreas? Option A, maltase. Option B, lactase. Option C, trypsin. Option D, sucrase. The correct option is option C, trypsin. ECG is a graphical representation of the electric activity of which organ? Option A, heart. Option B, liver. Option C, kidney. Option D, lung. The correct option is option A, heart. Which of the following is the SI unit of pressure? Option A, parsec. Option B, lumen. Option C, candle. Option D, Pascal. The correct option is option D, Pascal. Which acid is used in car battery? Option A, HCl. Option B, HNO3. Option C, H2SO4. Option D, H2CO3. The correct option is option C, H2SO4. Which of the following is the most ductile metal? Option A, iron. Option B, aluminium. Option C, copper. Option D, gold. The correct option is option D, gold. The blood is purified in dash. Option A, kidney. Option B, lungs. option C, heart, option D, intestine. The correct option is option A, kidney. A fungal cell wall is made of dash. Option A, hemicellulose, option B, cellulose, option C, chitin, option D, lignin. The correct option is option C, chitin. 1 horsepower is equal to dash watt. Option A, 546, option B, 746, option C, 846, option D, 648. The correct option is option B, 746. Curdling of milk in the stomach is due to the action of dash. Option A, myosin, option B, renin, option C, ACL, option D, pepsin. The correct option is option B, renin. LPG cooking gas is a mixture of option A, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, option B, butane and propane, option C, methane and ethane, option D, carbon dioxide and oxygen. The correct option is option B, butane and propane. Where is the bile juice produced? Option A, gastric, option B, liver, option C, pancreas, option D, intestine. The correct option is option B, liver. Kilowatt hour is unit of dash. Option A, electric current, option B, force, option C, energy, option D, momentum. The correct option is option C, energy. Vitamin E is also called dash. Option A, thiamine, option B, calciferol, option C, tocopherol, option D, riboflavin. The correct option is option C, tocopherol. The image formed on the human retina is option A, real and inverted, option B, imaginary and straightforward, option C, real and straightforward, option D, imaginary and reversed. The correct option is option A, real and inverted. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.